Welcome to another Python tutorial. Today we will learn how to launch or run Jupyter Notebook from Anaconda Navigator and also run it from the Anaconda prompt. Search for Anaconda and click on Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator will take some time to start. Start Anaconda prompt. So you can see Anaconda Navigator is initializing. Meanwhile, in the terminal, I will change directory. Now, Anaconda Navigator is started. To run Jupyter Notebook, search for Jupyter Notebook click on and click on Launch. And click on Launch. So this is going to start Jupyter Notebook and open the browser. So this way you can open the Jupyter Notebook from Anaconda Navigator. I will close here, so it is closed now. Now I will show you how you can open the Jupyter Notebook from Anaconda prompt. For this, type Jupyter Jupyter Notebook. So this is going to start the Jupyter Notebook and open in the browser. So by default it is into the directory from where I have run the command. I am going to create one notebook. Now this notebook is asking for the kernel to choose. By default I have Python 3 kernel, so I will select this and click on the select button. Now I will show you how you can create a simple program and run in the Jupyter Notebook. So first of all I am going to change the name of the notebook, fruits list. So I am going to create a list. Apple, to run this, click here and it is executed now. Now I will print all the fruits from the list. For this, for in fruits, print each fruit. To run this, click here. So it is printing the all the fruit. So it is printing all the fruits inside the fruits list. You can also find the type of this variable. To know the type of variable, you have to call type method and pass the object inside this. run it. So it is saying that it is list here. You can see the messages here. To exit, close the browser and then Control C here. So this way you can use the Jupyter Notebook to run the Python program. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.